This is Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. This video is going to be about planting seeds in trays. This tray holds about 72 seeds. First thing I usually do is I water it. Before I plant the seeds. I gotta turn on the water, so give me a minute. Alright, I'm back. Now that I have the water on, usually I'll take it and I'll go through the bottom part. Fill that up first, because this soil is fresh sterile soil. It's used for planting seeds. I'll show you the bag. Here's the bag. Sterile soil, so they'll germinate really good. Then I'll take a little water and put it on top. And usually you'll have to wait till that settles down. In the meantime, I soaked some sunflower seeds. See them right there? Soaked a whole bunch. I also soaked cucumber seeds. Hopefully we'll get good germination out of these. Trays are ready, so I could take some of these cucumber seeds, spread them around. I've already soaked these seeds for 8 hours, and I'm just going to put them in like this. I have a whole bunch, just make sure I get a couple in each one. Because usually I like to plant 2 cucumber seeds in one of my containers. You got to be patient. Alright, I'm done. What I usually do after that is I take a little bit of the sterile soil and I go on top of it, cover it a little bit. I mean, you want the seeds to have some contact with the soil. Okay, that's good. I'll just wet it a little bit now. I'm going back far. This thing is pretty. All right. Then I have a humidity dome. I'm going to put it over it. Make sure the covers are closed. Keep the humidity in. Then I'm going to actually put it in the greenhouse under cover of some more plastic.